Chivhayo Okuvadzwa battle of words intensifies with explosive social media rants. The 20th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Harare, the clash between controversial businessman Chivhayo and opposition politician advocate naMahere has escalated into a fierce exchange of words, with both figures taking to social media to trade barbs over the Gwanda solar project, ambulance donations, and allegations of corruption. Posting on Friday, Chivhayo lashed out at naMahere, describing her questions as attention-seeking and clueless, and accusing her of perennial bitterness against anything good done by ZANU-PF. He dismissed naMahere's reference to him as VP Sir Wicknell as malicious and disrespectful, stressing that he has no intention of seeking political office. For the avoidance of doubt, I am an ordinary card-carrying member of ZANU-PF. Nothing more and nothing less. Chivhayo wrote, I will always support ZANU-PF but am not a politician. I am just a businessman, a philanthropist, and above all, a very simple young dreamer whose only ambition is to one day become the youngest billionaire in Zimbabwe. Watch the space. Responding to naMahere's challenge over the controversial Gwanda solar project, Chivhayo cited a Supreme Court ruling. The Supreme Court of Zimbabwe conclusively ruled that Intratrek Zimbabwe, PVT, Limited does not owe ZESA or the state a single cent. Please refer to Judgment SC 127/23. For you to continue harping on this Gwanda fairy tale demonstrates your comprehensive ignorance. On the issue of ambulances, Chivhayo defended his recent donation, claiming naMahere's figures were outdated. These are 2025 state-of-the-art, high-end Toyota Land Cruiser units, fully equipped with ICU technology, ventilators, oxygen systems, and defibrillators. They are essentially mobile clinics, which should have actually cost more than $90,000 per unit. But I had to negotiate on the price, he said. He further accused naMahere of being a failed politician, bitter critic and clout chaser, adding, Zimbabwe does not need such negative energy. We need builders, not shallow-minded wannabe lawyers who assume they are qualified to authoritatively comment on everything. In her original post on Thursday, naMahere had directly confronted Chivhayo. Good day, VP Sir Wicknell. Thank you for your message. Is it true that you owe ZESA $5 million in respect of the defunct Gwanda solar project? If not, have you delivered on the project? She asked. naMahere ended her post with a sharp rebuke. We need new leaders. The fiery back-and-forth has reignited debate over the long-delayed Gwanda solar project and raised fresh questions about government contracts, accountability, and the blurred lines between philanthropy and politics.